something massive just dropped. OpenAI has launched ChatGPT Agents, and this might be the closest we've ever been to AI that can actually work on its own. These agents think, plan, and take action, and they're already doing tasks without you lifting a finger. Stick around to see what they can do. The moment OpenAI revealed ChatGPT Agents, the tech world exploded with excitement. People everywhere knew this wasn't just a normal update. It felt like a leap into a new era of AI. For years, AI has impressed us with the ability to chat, write, and answer questions, but it was still limited in what it could do. That all changed with the announcement of agents. Suddenly, ChatGPT wasn't just responding, it was taking action. During demos, agents browsed the internet just like a human. They pulled data from websites. They organized research into clean summaries. They created schedules and full project plans. They even interacted with apps in real time. It started to feel like AI wasn't just giving information anymore. It was becoming a true worker. This moment made people imagine the future differently. Students wondered if homework or studying could become easier. Entrepreneurs saw ways to automate tasks that used to take hours. Developers saw a partner that could handle coding steps. Businesses saw a new way to boost productivity. This update transformed ChatGPT from a tool into something more powerful, a digital problem solver that could take action. A ChatGPT agent is basically ChatGPT upgraded into a digital worker. Instead of giving answers and waiting for the next command, an agent can run with a goal and complete it. You give it a task, it figures out the steps, it chooses which tools to use, it follows a plan, and it keeps working until the job is done. Agents can run code when needed. They can browse the internet, they can use built-in tools, they can operate inside apps, they can make decisions along the way. This makes agents completely different from old versions of AI that needed constant supervision. And that unlocks a whole new level of what AI can help you achieve. They are designed to handle complicated requests that require reasoning, planning, and execution. Think of them like smart assistants that don't stop at suggestions. They finish the job. The abilities of ChatGPT agents are already shocking. They can take over tasks most people spend hours on every week. For example, they can clean up messy inboxes and group emails. They can summarize huge files, long reports, or complicated documents. They can create polished spreadsheets. They can design simple websites from scratch. They can generate graphics, layouts, and charts. They can analyze large data sets that would take a person days to review. They can build routines, systems, and schedules. They can shop online and compare items. They can research any topic deeply. They can write and run Python code. They can test the code and fix mistakes automatically. Real users have already shared incredible results. Students are seeing agents act like personal tutors. Developers are watching agents debug programs from start to finish. Creators are using them for script writing, editing, and research. Businesses are using them to handle customer support problems, plan weekly tasks, and organize documents. These agents don't get tired or distracted. They can work non-stop, and that makes them extremely powerful in any workflow. Behind the scenes, agents combine reasoning, planning, and tool use into one system. First, the agent analyzes your request. Then it breaks the task into steps it can follow. It checks what tools it has available, and it chooses the best tools for the job. It performs actions, then it evaluates the results. If something fails, it adjusts and tries again. This loop makes agents feel like they're genuinely thinking through the process. Older versions of ChatGPT sometimes produced mistakes because they couldn't verify their answers. But agents can check their own work. They can gather new information. They can correct themselves. This makes them more reliable. While they're not fully independent yet, they're much closer to true autonomous AI. This version is a glimpse of where AI is heading, and that direction is toward AI systems that can manage tasks step by step like a real human assistant. This update matters because it shifts AI into a whole new category. Instead of being a tool you talk to, AI becomes a tool that acts for you. This can change daily life for millions of people. Students can finish schoolwork faster. Creators can speed up their video production. Developers can automate coding tasks. Businesses can eliminate repetitive work. This saves time, it boosts productivity, and it reduces the boring steps that slow people down. We are moving into a world where AI works beside humans like a teammate, not just answering questions, but helping complete real tasks. This shift will transform industries. It will change how people work, and it shows how fast AI is evolving. We aren't just using AI anymore, we're collaborating with it. Even though the technology is exciting, there are real concerns. When AI is able to take action, mistakes could have more serious consequences. People worry about agents doing something unexpected. They worry about misuse. They worry about depending too much on AI. OpenAI says they designed agents with strong safety limits. Agents can only access the tools they are permitted to use. They follow strict rules. They cannot enter private systems without approval. Still, as AI gains more abilities, risks become more important. Some fear job displacement, others fear misinformation spreading faster. Society has to balance both the benefits and the dangers. This is the start of a new type of automation, and we will all need to prepare for it. And that's the quick breakdown of OpenAI's new ChatGPT agents. This is a major step toward AI that can act, not just answer, and it's only getting started. Tell me in the comments what task you'd trust an AI agent to handle. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Flux AI. This is Artificial Adamina, where imagination meets intelligence.